Gol Gappay. 2 cup maida, 1 cup suji and 1 tablespoon oil, 1 pinch salt and knead the dough. Then leave it for 15 minutes, roll the dough thin. Give it a circle shape. Fry them. Khajur and imli pulp ½ cup. Red chili powder 1 teaspoon. Grinded 1 teaspoon. Ginger powder ½ teaspoon. Chaat masala ½ teaspoon. Black salt ½ teaspoon. Salt as required. Mix it well. Howdy meaty chutney. Imli water 2 cups. Red chili powder 1 teaspoon, grinded 1 teaspoon, ginger powder ½ teaspoon. Chaat masala ½ teaspoon, salt as required. Black salt ½ teaspoon. Mix it well. Water 2 glass. Katta pani. Subscribe to Cooking with Rubail.